Today is day 13 of the 30-day content challenge, and our prompt today is to share a quote that we like and to express what it means to us. And I I was looking around and I found one that I really meant a lot to me, and it's uh, let me see if I can bring it up here. It says, "You're never too important to be nice to people," and it's by John Baptiste. And another pastor that just passed away is Ravi Zacharias. He's uh, an evangelist, apologist, and his thing was always you never should be unkind to people too. And so that's something that um, I fall very short from. I am not that close to being kind to people all the time, but it's something to strive for. And so that's the first quote I'd like to share with you is that one. You're never too important to be nice to people, by John Baptiste. And then I had another one that let me see that was important to me, and it was by let me see if I can get it up here. It was by Thomas Edison, I believe. Um, um, Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up, by Thomas Edison. And that kind of pertains to this business that we're in. Sometimes we tend to give up too early and not persevere through what we need to get through. And so that leads to my favorite word again, perseverance. So again, I want to repeat it. Thomas Edison said, "Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up." That's my entry for today. I wish you all a very happy Saturday.